Defects. Irregularities observed during the process of extrusion are known as extrusion defects. Most defects are created by non-uniform material movement through the die and stress distribution during the process. Number of defects depend upon wall friction and wall temperature. There are mainly three types of extrusion defects, namely surface cracking, piping defect, internal cracking. Now let us discuss about each defects. Surface cracking generally occurs due to rise in surface temperature. Here are some examples of surface crackings which are common. These cracks are intergranular and usually the result of hot hardness. These cracks can also occur at low temperature when extruded material sticks to die. Internal cracking occurs when cracks are developed in center of the extruded material. Also known as center cracking, center burst, chevron cracking and arrowhead fracture. These cracks develop due to the difference in flow of metal in outer part as compared to central part. Outer part has more velocity as compared to central part, resulting in stress developed in central part. These cracks are often hard to detect as they occur within the material of the part. These cracks can be prevented by using appropriate die angle and higher friction and high extrusion ratio. Piping generally occurs in hot extrusion. When metal in contact with the walls cools down rapidly as compared to central part, resulting in a non-uniform flow of metal. These defects are created by surface of oxides and impurities being drawn to the center of the extruded material. Piping defect propagates as a funnel-shaped void to the end of the material, also known as tailpipe and fishtailing. These defects can be prevented by modifying flow pattern by controlling friction and temperature, machining the billet surface prior to extruding, using a dummy block that is smaller in diameter than the container. Thus, we can summarize as